Oh, my train's ready. Alright, here it is. Alright, I love driving trains. It's my favorite thing to do. Alright, here we go. Woohoo! Oh, so there's a train wreck and I gotta clean it up. Oh no, oh no. Whoa, oh, oh! Wait, what? Jeffrey died? Okay, I'm gonna go check this out. This can't be good. Oh no. This cannot be good at all. Gonna check this out. So apparently he was using the cleanup train, which has a grinder on the front. And apparently the grinder got stuck in the wood and rail on the track and just destroyed the bridge while he was on it. Ooh, yeah. This is wrecked. But apparently he went on for a while. Like, he was destroying this. He was turning and moving, but he thought he could make it. But eventually, he got, like, pushed one way, and then, like, the grinder grinded the rails off the side, like here, and he just fell off completely. Ooh, the bridge is, shaken. It's not that strong right here. It's not attached, I don't think. Yikes. Yeah, he fell right here. Ooh, yeah, it's broken real bad. See how it's shaking a bit? It's, it means, yeah, it's broken. Yeah. Oh, no! Oh, my passengers are on the train now. Alright. Let's get on this train. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna just look out this window because apparently Jeffrey and Bob fell off the bridge because it was broken. Fell into the lava. Well, at least the workers are fixing it up now. That's good. I'm glad the construction guys are fixing that up. This is a real mess. What's that? Oh no. The engine's about to blow. Oh no! Whoa! Oh, it wasn't that bad. We can probably still drive. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh! Oh. Guys, get off the train. Get off the train. Whatever. We made it to the station. It's fine. Oh, looks like people working on the bridge are ready for me to drop off the lumber to fix the train tracks. It's bright in here. Holy. Alright. Alright, let's go. Woohoo! I don't know why I'm really excited about this, but... Alright, slow down! No. Okay. Yes, so, yeah. Alright. So where do you want me to put this train? Oh, I can drive forward a bit. Okay, tell me when to stop. Oh no. No. Keep drawing? Okay. Got it. Stop, because I can't move. Oh no, it's engine overload. Engine overload! Oh. Oh no, the bridge! bridge is getting worse! Alright. Finally fixed the bridge. Holy, that was a mess. Here, I'll just get on here. The communicator train. Alright. Ooh, that's loud. Alright. Alright. Okay, I'm very happy the bridge is all fixed. Alright. Wait, what did that sign say? Lava zone? No slow or large trains? This is kind of both. No. I mean, this area is an untested area. We don't know what is here. Oh, no. It's an untested area. We don't know what's here. It's bad. Always gotta test areas, but this is... They have no clue what is here, so... Hopefully it's not bad. Told me to turn this way, so... We'll have to get out and change the tracks. Here, I think. Nope, maybe not. I don't think. No, because they said the second turn in the cave. Right here. Okay, we gotta go back. What's in here? What is this? Why am I falling? No. Get out. Oh, no. Wait. Shut off the power. No, it's not working. Okay. Oh, no. Engine overload. Ooh, chest. Oh. Oh, no. Ooh, cave. Well, exit. What is here? Hope there's something good here. Oh, there's the tower. Crossing. Oh. Is that a bunker? Hopefully I make it. Just gotta time it right. Oh no. Guess we'll jump down when that closes. Gotta time it right. Okay. Go!